Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel, and thanks for logging on. Today we're discussing the Tag Heuer Autavia Jack Heuer 85th Anniversary Limited Edition of 1,932 pieces. You can see this 2017 limited series watch and purchase it on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you enjoy these videos, and please click on the card in the upper right hand corner of the screen at any time during this video to see our full sales listing for this watch with additional accessories included in the sale, high-resolution images for your desktop, and naturally complete pricing details for this stainless steel limited edition Jack Heuer Autavia. Now, the watch on my wrist represents yet another evolution of the recently revived Tag Heuer Autavia line. Once the Heuer Autavia, this watch pays homage to that era, a celebration of 85 years of life for the patriarch of the brand and one of the last living links to its history, Jack Heuer. Now, the watch is easy to wear on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, though it is larger than its historical forebear. The timepiece is 43 millimeters as my calipers measure it across the bezel from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, not including chronograph pushers or crown. The timepiece is relatively thick, but not excessively so, at 15.7 millimeters. With a sloped bezel, it will slide underneath a jacket cuff, probably not a dress sleeve, however. Now, 50.4 millimeters from lug to lug is where the watch really starts to make sense for a smaller wrist, as that is an exceptionally compact dimension for a 43 millimeter round watch. My 16 centimeter circumference wrist wears it easily, and I would say probably down to about 14.5 centimeters circumference. Your wrist is going to wear it with comfort and style as well. The watch is on a high-grade 7-link vintage-inspired bracelet, all of a handsome finish, alternately, as you can see, polished and large and polished and compact, with the compact links featuring a double gadron pattern down their center. Nuanced, period-inspired, it also feels good in the hand. As you can see, this is a watch that retails for under $6,000 new, so pins and sleeves for sizing. But it feels good, it looks good, and as you can see, plenty of gaps between the links to avoid pinching skin, pulling hair, or trapping moisture, heat, and oils on a hot day. The clasp is nicely executed, and like the rest of the watch, it's evocative of the pre-tag era technique d'avant-garde coming on board during the 1980s. This one pays tribute to the Heuer family ownership era. And the same is true of the dial side. The watch's case is simple. There's a slight flare of beveling down the lugs, but for the most part, the geometries are standard, sheer, simple, and of a high polish to give the watch an impressive wrist presence without being garish. The bezel is bidirectional rotating, so you can align it with the minute hand, and in conjunction with the chronograph, time two concurrent events up to 60 minutes. Note the water resistant to 100 meters and blessed with a rotating bezel. It is not a dive watch because this one rotates in both directions. Simple and attractive and timeless panda-style dial. You can see at center a metallic sunburst, and then you'll note individual countersunk sub-registers for constant seconds as well as chronograph minutes and chronograph hours, with a very discrete date window anchored at 6 o'clock in the sub-register located thusly. All indices applied and polished and faceted. It's a handsome and upscale dial that belies the price of the timepiece. You'll also note that the watch features a little bit of luminescence, so in true sports watch fashion, you can read it in any light. Turn it over. Note that the clasp is released with triggers. It's not friction fit, and it's not a clamshell. It's also nicely finished inside. And nicely finished on the case back, you can see a tribute to the man himself, Jack Heuer. Signature and family crest, 85 years. Born in 1932, this of course being an edition of 1,932 pieces issued for 2017. Now underneath that screw-down case back, you will find the Heuer Caliber 02, a manufacturer vertical clutch column wheel automatic chronograph caliber. It features an impressive 75-hour power reserve when fully energized. It features hacking or stop seconds, a quick set for the date, pivots on 33 joules. Also, I should mention a 4 Hz contemporary beat rate, 28,800 vibrations per hour in spite of the long power reserve. Now, the vertical clutch system ensures smooth engagement of the chronograph seconds. If you've ever seen something like a Valjoux 7750 with a lateral clutch jump when you start it, this has none of that. Moreover, with the vertical clutch, you can leave the chronograph engaged full time with no additional wear and tear, so you can have your hours, minutes, and seconds at center. Furthermore, the column wheel architecture is crisp. You can hear it, you can feel it. It is a pleasure to use in the hand, traditional way of making a chronograph caliber, and still the minority relative to the more common and cheaper cam and shuttle systems. This is a handsome watch. Whether you dig the anniversary occasion or you simply like the look and the value proposition, it's a lot of watch for the money. See it and own it on our website.